Wow, looking so sumptuous. Hello, lovelies. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another series of Temi'S Kitchen. How are you guys doing? Happy new month. Happy Sunday. Hope you guys are fine. Hope you are staying safe. If you are new on this channel, my name is Unripe Plantain Porridge and I'm free from Ecuador. So I show you everything that happens around me in Ecuador and how I make my food. Still eat the African stuff. And here is plantain porridge. That is what we are preparing today. If you have not, so we are using parsley leaf, red pepper bell, seasoning, hot dog, my plantain, green pepper bell, blended garlic, ginger, curry, salt, palm oil, meat and fish. Okay, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please click the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel to see what this innocent girl, how she's living her life in Ecuador. So the first thing you want to do is to peel your plantain and dice it into cubes before you cook. Okay, you peel, you clean, then you dice. So back to subscribing. Have you subscribed to this channel? Like, have you done that? Like, seriously, please guys, let's click the subscribe button and let's share this video with our friends that are in diaspora, especially countries that they don't have African stores. In Ecuador there is no African store, and I still bring something together just to feel that African taste. I still kind of improvise in a lot of ways to eat what I want in a pocket friendly stuff. So I finished dicing. I'm going to pour it inside the bowl, and that's my green pepper bell. I'm going to be cutting it and dicing it also. So I'm going to put it at one side of the board when I finish dicing, like that. So I'm going to kind of dice everything that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using half of this that I'm going to be using. So that's what we are going to be doing now. How are you guys coping? Yeah, this one was very dirty. I had to like clean it, so that's why it's good to open the middle to see if they are clean and there is nothing inside. So that's my hot dog. I'm going to be dicing it. So how are you guys coping with this lockdown thing? Hope you guys are fine. This is the best time for you to cook that recipe you've been wanting to cook all this while. So what have you guys cooked that is special? Like, this is my first time of eating plantain porridge in the last 3 years that I've been here. This is the first time I've been eating plantain porridge, and I felt so happy that I could eat plantain porridge. I don't know why I've not eaten it all this while. Like, seriously. How are you guys doing? Hope you're fine. Now it's time for us to cook. We are just I put my plantain in the pot with a little water. I don't want to use much water, with 3 spoons of palm oil. If you don't want to use up to that, fine, it's okay. I added some grounded pepper that I had in my freezer, and I added all those things that I diced earlier inside. I added everything together and I stirred them. Apart from the parsley leaf, I didn't have the parsley leaf. The parsley leaf is going to be like the last thing, because I love to crunch them and it's not good for them to be too soft. So I'm just going to stir them together, and I'm going to leave it to cook for like 5 minutes or thereabout. So this everything, so I'm just going to cover it and allow it to cook. Then when I notice it's becoming soft, I'm going to pour my parsley leaf. What is that food that you've eaten this lockdown that it's been a while you've eaten it? Let me know, guys. You know, I prepared moi moi and I'm so happy about it. Like, in 3 years I prepared moi moi for the first time. I'm going to be uploading the video anytime soon. Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are okay. Like, how many times will I ask if you guys are fine? I can ask as many times as I want, right? So I've put my parsley leaf here, so I stirred it and I left it to cook for a while, and I stirred again and I offed my gas. Yeah, my plantain porridge is ready. Sumptuous, yummy. I served myself. I'm the only one eating. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Remember to click the subscribe button. Remember to drop your comment at the comment section and share with your friend. I love you guys. Stay safe.